On behalf of Upper Public School teaching faculty, wishing you a very happy Children's Day and happy Deepavali. Enjoy your day and be safe while bursting the crackers.
Myself Bhavani Viti. I am studying in 6th Sharavati. Wish you happy Children's Day to all my friends. Now I am going to present all my craft works. First, this is crown which is made up of paper, beads and paper roses. Second, this is finger ring which is made up of paper rose. Third, these are a pens which I decorated, one as butterfly and another as jalpari pen. Third, these are the pen stands. In it we can put pen and pencil and close it like this. Third, this is a little diary. We can open it and write anything inside it and close it. Third, this is a magic card which changes its faces like this, and like this. Thank you.
Good morning all. I am Harshvardhan, class of 6th at Upper Public School. Today I would like to do some yoga asanas. We should do yoga daily because of this pandemic, and by doing yoga we will be fit and healthy. So first asana is Surya Namaskar. Next asana is Sarvangasana. Next, Sirsasana. Next, Chakrasana. Next, Anulom Vilom. One side we should breathe in, one side we should breathe out. Next, Kapalibhat. We should breathe from stomach, not from nose. So these are some asanas we should do daily. By doing yoga, do yoga daily. Be fit, be healthy. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi from 6 Bhima. Today I am talking few words about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name was Pandit Motilal Nehru and his mother's name was Swarupa Rani. Every year, Nehruji's birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. He received law degree from Cambridge University. Nehru married Kamala Nehru in 1916. Jawaharlal Nehru is also known as Chacha Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He wrote a book called The Discovery of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru died of a heart attack on 27 May 1964. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Ananya from 6th Kaveri. Today I am performing hula hoop. Non-stop. I can walk. Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to perform some yogasanas. Tadasana. Vrikshasana. Sarvangasana. Halasana. Dhanurasana. Chakrasana. Gomukhasana.
सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। चल मसल फुलाना थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना, निकालो देश कमल की फसल उगाना। अरे रे रे ओबे चल बेटा शुरू।
Good evening everyone, I am Pratiksha Shanbhog from 6th Tungabhadra section. Today I am showing you all my craft works. This is charm bracelet made of paper and old stones. These are ninja stars made of papers. And this is camera made of paper only. And this is my paper bag, hand bag. This is also made of paper and cardboard. This is knife, paper knife. This is paper gun. This is paper gun.
Hello, my name is Vaishnavi VRL. I am studying in 6th Krishna. So today I am going to sing a song. Sa re ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma re sa hakki goodu bitta mele hakki goodu bitta mele ಗೂಡಿಗೇನು ಬೆಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಗೂಡಿಗೇನು ಬೆಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೃದಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೊರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಹೃದಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೊರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನದೇನು ನಿನ್ನದೇನು ಯಾರದೇನು ಜಗದನಿ, ನನ್ನದೇನು ನಿನ್ನದೇನು ಯಾರದೇನು ಜಗದಳಿ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಥಿರವು, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಥಿರವು, ನೀತಿ ಬಾಳ್ವ ಬಾಳಲು, ನೀತಿ ಬಾಳ್ವ ಬಾಳಲು. ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನವ ವಸಂತ ತೊರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ, ನವ ವಸಂತ ತೊರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಗದೇನು ಕೋಗಿಲೆ, ಕೂಗದೇನು ಕೋಗಿಲೆ, ನೀರು ಬತ್ತಿದಾಗ ಮೀನು, ನೀರು ಬತ್ತಿದಾಗ ಮೀನು ಸಾಯದೇನು ಆಗಲಿ, ಸಾಯದೇನು ಆಗಲಿ. ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾನು ತೊರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ನಾನು ತೊರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hello everyone, I am Samruddhi Lakshati from Upper Public School studying in 6th standard Krishna section. So today I am going to do few yoga asanas. Now let us start a first meditation. Take your left leg and put on your right leg and your right leg on the left leg, and then your hand should be like this, and put on the knees and say Om. Om. Now let us start the first asana, that is triangle asana. So wide up your legs and then your hand slightly up, then move your right hand to the left leg, straighten, and then same we'll do in the right side. So your left hand to the right leg, straighten. Now we'll do the second asana, that is butterfly asana. So join your both palms and then your hands should be like, and then this butterfly asana will convert to the tortoise asana. Your right hand into the right leg and your left hand into the left leg, and then bend your head. This is tortoise asana. And then we'll do the fourth asana, that is warrior asana. So wide your legs and then slowly bend your left leg and your hand should be like this, and this is warrior asana. And we'll do same in the right side. Bend your right leg here, and then your hand should be like this, same. This is warrior asana, and we'll move to the bee breathing. So your hand should be like this, and this in your ears, and so these are my few asanas. Thank you.
dear friends. As Children's Day activity, I am going to do some of the yogasanas. First, Vrikshasana. Second, Utkatasana. Third, Padmasana. Fourth, Vajrasana. Fifth, Bhujangasana. Sixth, Shavasana. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Aditi. I made wall hanging. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Aditi from 6th Netravati. Today I am going to do yoga. So first asana is Anuloma Vilom. We will do 5 times. First breathe in, breathe out. 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 Now we will do Kapalbhati. It is second asana. We will do 15 times. So let's start. So next we will do Matasana. First we should do Padmasana. Sorry, it is Markatasana. You should hold your hands like this and head like this and hold 2 fingers. Count 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Move slowly one leg. Now we will do Sarvangasana. Hold your back and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now Halasana we will do first like this, like you should go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we will do chakras like this first. Hold your hands here. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we will do like this.
Shirshasana.
Sirsasana like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we will do Shavasana. For 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
हर सोच में डूबूं, मेरा तुम चाहो न सोऊं, तू ही मेरे सपनों में सजना। मैंने पायल है चमकाई, तू आजा तू हर जाए। मैंने पायल है चमकाई, तू आजा तू हर जाए। मेरी सांसों में तू है बसा, ओ सजना जाना तरसा, ओ सजना आ जाना तरसा। आँख में गजरा, बाल में गजरा, बिंदिया जो लगाई रे, देख के मेरी मस्त जवानी चंद
Hi everyone, I'm Samruddhi Lakshati from 6th Krishna. Today I would like to sing a song. So let me start. Sarega paga 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 re sare gare gare. Sarega paga 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 re sare gare gasa. हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम. हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम. हरि केशव हरि गोविंदा हरि केशव हरि गोविंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम. हरि नारायण हरि ओम. हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम. वनमाली मुरलीधारी गोवर्धन गिरिवरधारी. वनमाली मुरलीधारी गोवर्धन गिरिवरधारी. नित नित कर माखन चोरी गोपी मनहारी. नित नित कर माखन चोरी गोपी मनहारी. हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम. आओ रे कान्हा रे गोकुल के प्यारे. आओ रे कान्हा रे गोकुल के प्यारे. आओ रे नाचो रे रास रचाओ रे. आओ रे नाचो रे रास रचाओ रे. हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम. हरि सुंदर नंद मुकुंदा हरि नारायण हरि ओम. हरि नारायण हरि ओम. Thank you.
Children's Day speech. Good evening to respected chief, great principal, teacher and my friends. Today I would like to speak a few words about Children's Day. I wish all my friends a very happy Children's Day advance. Today is 14th November. This day all over India has celebrated Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Pandit Nehru has great love and rose children. Hence, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day every year. And he wrote many more books. So we must know about him. Thank you. Jai Jai Karnataka.
Down. tổng đi tổng đây ta thể 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 tổng biết tổng khi ta ta cái tay ta tay khi ta ta cái tổng biết tổng khi ta ta cái tay ta tay khi ta ta cái tổng biết tổng tay ta tay 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 tổng biết tổng đây ta để 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 ta ta jump về ta cái đây ta đi cái này tông ta cái tay đi cái này tông ta cái đi của ta đi cái này tông tông trigger ta cái 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 trigger ta đại nó ta cái tay đi cái này tông ta tay tay vô